Stop! Are you about to just pull the plug on your Synology NAS? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off your Synology NAS the right way, so you don't risk losing a single file. It's easier than you think. Hey everyone, I'm Anna from For Real. If you've ever felt that slight panic wondering if you're shutting down your expensive NAS correctly, you're not alone. We invest in these devices to keep our data safe, but one wrong move, like a sudden power cut, can put all of that at risk. It feels like a simple task, but the consequences of doing it wrong can be huge. So before we jump into the how, let's quickly cover the why. Your Synology NAS isn't just a simple hard drive, it's a full-fledged computer. It's constantly running processes, managing files, and using a system cache to speed things up. When you just cut the power, it's like interrupting a librarian mid-sentence while they're organizing books. Things get lost, files can get corrupted, and in the worst case, your entire storage volume could be damaged. The proper shutdown process ensures that every file is saved, all caches are written to the disks, and all services are stopped gracefully. This is the single most important thing you can do to ensure the longevity and reliability of your data. It's a 30-second process that can save you hours of heartache. All right, let's get this done. The first step is to log into your Synology's operating system called DiskStation Manager or DSM. Open any web browser on your computer that's connected to the same network as your NAS. You'll need to navigate to your NAS. You can usually do this by typing find.synology.com into the address bar, or by typing in the IP address of your NAS directly if you know it. Once you're on the login screen, just enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see your beautiful DSM desktop. Look at the very top right of your screen. You'll see a toolbar with a few icons. We're looking for the one that looks like the silhouette of a person. This is your user and power options menu. Go ahead and click on that icon. Quick pause. If you're finding this Synology DSM tutorial helpful so far, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button below. It really helps the channel and allows others to find this guide. Okay, back to it. In the menu that just dropped down, you'll see a few options like Personal, Restart, About, and the one we want, Shut Down. You can see it has a little clock icon next to it. As you can guess, Restart is for rebooting the system, but for a complete power off, we need to click Shut Down. Your Synology wants to be absolutely sure you want to do this, so it will pop up a confirmation window that says, "Are you sure you want to shut down?" This is your final chance to back out. To proceed, simply click the blue OK button. And that's it! Your browser window will disconnect, and if you look at your physical NAS unit, you'll see the lights start to blink as it safely closes all services. After a minute or two, it will power off completely, and all the lights will go out except for maybe a faint power indicator on some models. You've now successfully and safely powered down your device. Now for a couple of pro tips. What about the physical power button on the front of the unit? A quick press of that button will also initiate this same safe shutdown procedure. However, I always recommend using the software method so you can be 100% sure. Holding that button down for several seconds will force a hard, unsafe shutdown, so avoid that unless the system is completely frozen. And one more cool trick. You can automate this. In the DSM control panel under Hardware and Power, there's a Power Schedule tab where you can set your NAS to turn on and shut down at specific times every day. It's perfect if you only use it for work and want to save energy at night. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to safely power down your NAS using the DiskStation Manager. No more risking data corruption. You can be confident that your valuable files are protected every single time you need to turn off your machine. If you found this tutorial useful and want more simple, clear guides for your tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And let me know in the comments, what other Synology tasks should I cover next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.